What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to test my Reach 170-degree thermostat in this water. Got my little tester here for the heat. You can see we're 189, 180. It's hot. So let's see if this thing does what it's supposed to before I stick it in my car and do work to it. All right. Tump this thing down a little bit. Okay, you can see it starting to open. See right there? Mm-hmm. You can see at the top that thing's opened up. Whew, that steam. Turn this down a little. Let me turn this off. You can see right there that it's wide open. So it's definitely working. Try to get this thing out here and cool it down now. Let me find something else to grab this thing with. I got it. See right there, so that thing's open. Let's get it over on the counter, set it down. See if we can watch this thing close back up.
I can time lapse it.
Let's see here. And there it goes, it's closing back up. Slowly but surely. As you guys can see, it's going slowly, but it's almost closed. And right about there, she's closed off. So it works good, guys. So that's how you can test your thermostat. Boil your water up to temperature, drop your thermostat in, and make sure it's opening. Save yourself a headache before you stick it in the car. See you guys in the next one.